Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our page so you can keep up with all our new inventory. Today we'll be going through this beautiful 2019 Nautique G21. As you can see, it's got the beautiful red, victory red metal fleck with the gray accents, white accents, and the white Chrome X lettering. Alright, as we get around to the back of the boat here, you're going to see this gray sea deck looks really sharp with the black, red, and white exterior colors. Underneath the swim platform here, you're going to see the Nautique surf pipe, so your riders don't have to breathe in the engine fumes. You also see the Nautique surf system, so you can have the wave plates here to select which side of the wake you want to surf. Alright, as we come up the back of the boat here, you're going to see this nice wide entry into the back of the boat through the transom, as well as storage, and plenty of it. As you look down inside of there, you'll see that there is going to be sea deck down inside all of the storage compartments. Alright, you step into the cockpit of the boat. We're going to have more storage underneath the seats, as well as a cooler and battery charger underneath the starboard side. Also over here, we're going to take a look. We have tower controls for the power tower, so you can drop the tower down for storage. And down here, we have a heater vent. So if you're out on a nice cool morning riding, you're a little chilly, you can stay warm with this, pull it out, stick it underneath your towel with you. We'll also have access to our batteries and pumps down here under the floor. On this side here, this seat will lift up so you can have a seat back so you can sit back and watch the rider behind the boat, as well as more storage and a subwoofer underneath this seat right here. And on top, we have your lock and glove box for things you want to keep safe and dry, as well as stereo controls and more charging stations. Over here at the helm, you have your Nautique race-inspired seating, where you can sit forward comfortably, or you can sit turned to watch the rider behind you while you're driving. Also, you have your mirror, your touchscreen digital dash, with a toggle switch incorporated over here. You have a place for your phone. Once again, more charging stations. Up on the front of the boat here, once again, we're going to have plenty more seating, as well as under-seat storage. You're also going to have armrests that come up here as well. All right, back here, we're going to take a look at our victory red and white tower. We're going to have plenty of storage for your wakeboards and surfboards, as well as a bimini top here. This bimini top will expand out, and there's also surf pockets inside the top for additional surfboard storage. You have two 8.8 inch JL audio speakers and a GoPro mount up on top of the tower. Thank you for going through the 2019 G21. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher. If you have any questions, please visit our website, www.marinemax.com, or look us up, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks, and have a great day.